Hey, what's up, SLP coin holder? What's going on this time? The SLP price in last 1 month minus 13.54% lost, but don't worry, my friend. Absolutely, if you watch this video, you will be 100% be safe from loss, and you will earn a lot of money from SLP. So let me start the brand video. But please, if you are new to my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. So first of all, my friend, I am going to show you some very special. Just focus on this chart. My friend, first of all, as you can see here, I cannot draw the resistance line, but don't worry, my friend. First of all, these two lines is very important for all of you to understand. The first line touched the highest point and the second line touched the lowest point. So this time, as you can see here, SLP will moving in this circulation. Every coin will moving in this circulation, my friend, in the crypto market. But SLP this time, you can see clearly show you to an upcoming term they will take a very, as you can see, my friend, just and only for shortly they will moving upward. But this is not for shortly. Absolutely, they will completely go in the moon now in upcoming time. So therefore, and the last arrow is moving in upward direction. That's clear to upcoming time. SLP price will be pumping up. So that's the first thing, my friend, is that to an upcoming time the price will be increasing. And remember, to after the mid of month every coin will moving upward. So therefore, I hope to SLP will give me a very good profit and absolutely give me a very good profit now. So therefore, please, my prediction is 100% gone positive. All right, so this is just in only my prediction is 100% gone positive. I hope to in upcoming time SLP will get a profit. So you will need, my friends, to do this what I tell you. All right, so come down, my friend, just in only check out the last 7 days chart. In last 7 days, you can see minus 15.98% they were lost now, and as you can see, my friend, they were temporary. You can see this is temporary. This is called temporary fades. Absolutely, after this fails, they will take a jump, so they will recover this all loss. So therefore, as you can see, my friend, they will completely starting and moving upward and recovering this all lost. 0.09 USD dollar is the highest price, and 0.07 USD dollar is the current price. So here, as you can see, the price is very less than from highest price. So therefore, please don't worry. Absolutely, they will recover just in only in 2 days if they will starting moving upward and get just in only 2 to 5% profit. So I hope they will recover this all lost. So what you say, my friend, what you understand, can upcoming time they will give you a profit? Yes, 100% they will give you a profit. Can really there is a chance so they will moving upward? 100% there is a chance. And my opinion is to please hold. And what's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. If you are hold just in only at the end of month, I hope they will give you a very good profit. So please don't miss this chance. Take a risk and get 100% profit. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.